You know, I am really not too sure about this burlap decision. It doesn't look terrible because it does cover up the odd spaces, and I've kind of gotten used to it over the last couple weeks of having it in here, but it definitely is not as nice as I would hope it could look in here. I think if I had done a professional upholstery job, obviously that would have been amazing, and I could still go back and do a professional job if I wanted to pay someone to do that. I could just tear out all of the burlap and then have them do a good job. Or if I had done a solid fabric, because the main reason why the burlap doesn't look so great is because it's bushy and it's kind of bulbous, if you will. What a fun word. And it sticks up and it moves and it's just fat. It doesn't conform to the contours of the van and the tight curves of the van very well, because I had to use 2 layers of the burlap in order to cover up what's underneath. 1 layer I could still see through and still see the metal, and so I had to do 2 layers. I didn't know that until I got the burlap. Maybe I could have ordered a different type of burlap. And the point is, it covers up a lot of the awkward spaces in a way that is at least sort of satisfactory to me, and if I ever wanted to go back and change it, I could. So this is the burlap in the van, and I'm not entirely satisfied with it. I'm not sure if it was a terrible mistake or the best decision I've made yet. Not bloody likely! Either way, it's in the van now, and I'm not gonna change it because I think it does its job, which is to cover up the exposed metal areas in the van.